Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of scientific thinking, exploring the different branches of science and the scientific inquiry process. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the different branches of science. We have life science, also known as biology, which focuses on living organisms and their interactions with each other and their environment. Then we have earth science, which studies the physical structure and history of the Earth, as well as its atmosphere, oceans, and other natural systems. Next, we have physical science, which encompasses physics and chemistry. Physics is all about the natural laws that govern the universe, while chemistry is the study of the composition, structure, and properties of matter. Now, let's delve into the scientific inquiry process. This is the systematic approach scientists use to understand the natural world. It involves formulating a hypothesis, making observations, and drawing conclusions based on those observations. A hypothesis is a tentative explanation for a particular phenomenon based on previous observations and theories. It's a testable prediction that can be either quantitative or qualitative. Quantitative means that the hypothesis can be measured, while qualitative means that it can be described. Observations are the data collected during the scientific inquiry process. They can be either direct or indirect, and they can be quantitative or qualitative. Direct observations are made firsthand, while indirect observations are made through instruments or other means. Conclusions are the final results of the scientific inquiry process. They are the answer to the question posed in the hypothesis. They can be either qualitative or quantitative, depending on the nature of the hypothesis. Now, let's talk about the different types of measurements used in science. There are two main types: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative measurements are used to measure physical quantities such as length, mass, and time. Qualitative measurements, on the other hand, are used to describe qualities or characteristics such as color, taste, or texture. Finally, let's discuss the different types of models used in science. There are three main types: physical models, computer models, and mathematical models. Physical models are three-dimensional representations of real-world objects or systems, while computer models are simulations created using computer software. Mathematical models are mathematical equations or formulas that represent a system or process. That's it for today's science lesson, folks. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.